Hey guys, welcome back. I am in my favorite electronics store, the one that I did a video on once before, and a lot of the stock has changed, so I figured I'd do a walkthrough, show you guys some of the cool, interesting things I've seen back here again. Let's go ahead and take a look. There's always something cool here. Definitely takes me back. So right here by the walk-in, I see an old calculator, actually.
1980.
Is it? How cool is that? And when you want to run the computation, you cycle it.
It actually works.
That's amazing. I guarantee it does. It probably just needs a little bit of love, but I guarantee it does.
Open that cabinet.
This one?
Yes, on both sides. The other side.
What? Oh, that's beautiful.
Okay, open the two bottom cabinets.
Oh, it's got an integrated phonograph. And is this a relocatable speaker? Okay, some of them.
There's a 45 LP player, 45 record player on the top of the.
Oh yeah, look at that. There's a 45 right here.
And down at the bottom is a 33 and a third
Yep.
record player.
That's beautiful.
And we just finished reworking the radio and record player. It works. We haven't done anything with the preset yet.
Look at
That's
that.
a solid mahogany cabinet.
Oh yes.
Circa 1950 or thereabouts.
You have all the original buttons and knobs?
Yep.
Man,
Yeah,
that's
they pulled the-
those are Bakelite, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
They pulled the knobs off because they're getting ready to pull the TV set out for service.
Okay. That's beautiful. How cool.
Always something special.
Always something special. Heck yeah. Very cool.
Now that actually works. And
You can
it's
see the Class A tube amp.
foot powered and has an electric motor.
Oh, this one right here?
Yeah.
Yep, Trindle. How cool. There's a lot of people that still use those. Oh, look at this. We have a 1930s wheelchair. Vintage. That's beautiful. Yeah, coffee table. Excellent condition. What is this? A marquee sign? This is Game Zone? How cool. How cool. Anyway, guys, let's go ahead and take a walk. Take a walk and show you guys some of the cool stuff. Alright, well, look at this organ right here. Or synthesizer, right? Wow. I haven't seen one like that before. Anyway, I'm gonna try and slowly pan and show you guys all the vintage radios. You can get a demo of all the different electric motors, plus all the gear trains and stuff, so you can build your own. How cool is this? All the different wheels and stuff are over here. You get all different types of bevel gears. So this here, we always have different motors coming in. And up at the top, all the various radios. Oh, look at this. Oh, hell yes. They got a field effect. A multimeter there. Oh, how cool. Look at that voltmeter. And motors, and caps. Lots of motors. I dig this place, man. Okay, so let's see. We got some, what are those, signal generators up at the top? How cool. Kilocycles, megacycles. Jeez. And I dig all the kits that they have. Some of them are really vintage. I like some of the DIY kits. Those things are spot on fun. Oh, look at this. Build your own working FM radio. That's cool. Tube radio kit, $43. Good deal. All right, take a look at this. We got motors, steppers, and I always love the fact that they have these old school demos set up so that you can see what they look like. Oh, are these limit switches? I believe that's what these are. How cool. Okay, let's see. Let's see. What do we got? Oh, more setups. Now I'm going to slowly pan up. Here, let's see if I can make this even bigger. There we go. Now you guys can see partially what I'm seeing. We got sewing machines. God, all these magazines, vintage magazines and kits. 3D Studio. Oh my gosh. Vintage. I like this. Okay, so this is something I'm not expecting. This is an irrigation pump. Pretty crazy. That is almost the exact same model that we use in surgery for neuro to cool the bipolar tips. That is almost the exact same pump. How crazy. That's cool. You guys might know more about some of this stuff than I do. Probably, in fact. Probably. Look at this. Oh, it's a Heath kit. Oh, how cool is that? It's a Heath kit. So you can design your own circuits. Oh, that's treasure right there. They want $89 for it. And it looks like it's in beautiful condition. I dig that. And obviously we have a whole bunch of CB radios, different types of radios. Cool. We got cabinets, some vintage things behind them. We have telegraphs. I believe it or not, we got crystal radios and we got telegraph kits. Motors, radios. And what the heck are these? Oh, transceivers. Okay. All right. Some old turntables. Oh, look at this. How cool is that? I remember playing with one like this as a kid. It rotates and then it drives forward. You wind it up. Yeah, I definitely had something like that as a kid. Oh, jeez. Let's see if I can step back so you can see the wall of glory. Now, it's different than last time I recorded. I'll try and go slow right here so that y'all can see some of the stuff that I'm seeing. Look at this tube. What the hell is that? What a beast. That's a CRT. That's the CRT screen, isn't it? Oh, it's an oscilloscope tube CRT. What? What a beast. Oh, I love it. Guys, I dig it. You can see all the various oscilloscopes. One of the things that I really like, it says, try our World War II telephone. It's educational. It will not be for sale, it says. How cool. Okay, so we got some more scopes. More scopes. I dig that they put notes on them now, because last time I don't remember there being notes on them. Quite the selection though. Alright, let's see. This is an AV switch, I think. Those look like carburetors. You never know what you're gonna get. Vintage telephones. Look at that. Hell yes. Look at these radios. And down below is some electronics. And then they got trains. Look at the trains. I was thinking about getting one of these guys and actually shooting a show from one of those lollipop microphones. How cool. Okay. We got a transistor checker. Very cool. No, not for sale. Is that a Tesla coil? Huh. Oh, that's beautiful. Take a look at that radio. That is gorgeous. Got some vintage irons. Vintage apple peeler. I like those things. Pretty cool. Man, my grandparents had a telephone like this the whole time I was growing up. Okay, so we got a full complete set of wheels with the original drums. All right, got a whole bunch of extrusion. Kind of cool. That's a wind-up siren. Siren does not work. You win some, you lose some. Still very cool. Sorry guys, I know the music's gonna be loud, but that's okay. LEDs. That's crazy. Let's see. Oh, sorry. A rack full of sleeping puppies. Okay. I love the music here. And the ceiling, by the way, is just dotted with toys, if you haven't noticed. I like that Darth Vader mask. Oh, cool. Alright. They got wallets, vintage radios. Oh, look at that. I had one like that as a kid. The Magnavox. Oh, cool. Pocket PCs. Definitely random, guys. How cool. Yeah, they got original Xbox. What the heck is that? And Gravis? Oh, Gravis gamepad. PS1. Alright. Oh, they got some Nintendos as well. Look at all the game pads. Oh, cool. Got some military radios. Vintage fish finder. Sorry guys, I'm not doing a good job of capturing all the vintage. I am so getting copyright strike for this video. I don't care. Oh, capacitor sub box. That's cool. Someplace here I seen a variable resistor box or decade box. Lionel trains. Look at that. Vintage typewriters. This is why I dance. Wall of wonder. Look at this. These are power supplies, I believe. And rheostats. Wow. Nice. At least some vintage ones down there. The cool thing is, they've got a variety of external power supplies. You never know when you want these, right? 18 volt, 12 volt, all different types of connectors. That's where it's invaluable. Man, I remember that these were all over the place back in the, what, 80s and early 90s? Got some, got an airplane overhead and pictures. How cool. Got some mini transformers. Interesting stuff. Okay.
I got treasure.
Okay. Alright, so let's see. I'll speed up a little bit so that we're not getting lost here. Oh, look at all these adaptors. I love me some adaptors, guys. Never know when you're gonna need them. They got random laptops and stuff everywhere. Everywhere. Oh, hold on. Missing some stuff. Okay. Alright, guys. So they got R2-D2 this time under wraps, unfortunately. It's always a favorite of mine. Look at that little guy up there. It's a little globe. It's got a little train that goes around and around. Alright, you got USB hubs. Bunch of soldering materials. What is that? Is that a boom? I don't know what that is. It's some sort of boom, and it's carbon fiber. I dig it. We got relays. That's every type of relay I can think of. And to match your relays, we have solid states. And let's go into power connectors. We got batteries and battery combo boxes. Lead acids. Oh wow, look at this. When was the last time y'all seen anything like that? When was the last time anybody seen one of those? Oh, look at this. It's a lot dead sexy right there. Okay, let's see. Oh, very cool. These demos. Here's just a wealth of knowledge here, and the ceiling is just dotted with toys. Let's see, we got switches, all these demos. How cool. You see all the switches of various types. Timers, mechanical timers, dancing birds. Cameras. Oh my god, look at all the cameras. I do love some cameras, guys. Cameras. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Popcorn maker. Oh, cool. A tube tester. Look at that. I bet you it still works. I bet you. I bet you it still works. How cool. Parlay. Wow, look at that. It's fantastic. There, let's see, we got some tools, some tooling. I'm a big fan of Weehaw. I'm so glad that they have Weehaw. Although, I kind of would like a set like that in my tool bag.
And so ends another day in the history.
There, guys.
Every meal a banquet, every day a holiday. It is now 6 o'clock.
All right.
We are officially closed.
There you go, guys.
Make your selections and head to the front so we can take care of you.
There it is.
Get home to dinner.
That's it,
Shopping.
folks. We got audio and video to the back. Whole selection of audio and video. $50 3D printers. We got reel-to-reels. Look at this selection of audio and video. Just insane. How cool is that? We got more components. And I'm going to take you down this aisle here because this is one of my favorite aisles. We got some real vintage AV audio and video stuff down here. Antennas. DVD players. And look at all these vintage radios. How cool, huh? Look at all those TVs. Now, I grew up with only a black and white TV that looked almost identical to that one. That's all I had for most of my childhood. My family didn't have very much money, that's for darn sure. Stereos. Stereos. Whoop. More stereos. Look at that. That's beautiful. All right, and then we're into the connectors. We're cycling around to the front. All right, guys, I wish I had more time to go into the details. We got here at the tail end of the day, and the reason we did is because traffic. Traffic absolutely sucks here in Houston, and I figured I would at least show you guys something before the end of the day. Traffic is going to be easing up, hopefully, by the time we're done. So now it's 6 o'clock. Now it's 6 o'clock. It's time to head on out. Thanks for watching, guys.